Welcome to our new episode, When the Sticks Held Together, a story about unity, belonging, and shared strength.
My dear ones, have you ever felt small when the wind of the world pushes hard? Have you ever wondered whether your strength alone is enough? When the pressure comes, who will you trust? Your own thin branch, or the bundle you stand within? Come closer, my dear ones. Settle in. The sun is lowering its golden light, and we have a story for your heart tonight. You have stepped into a place of quiet stories, not of noise and rushing, but of remembering. Here, we do not hurry. We listen, we breathe, we remember the old wisdom.
Long before bright screens and busy roads, stories were carried beneath wide African skies, stories that shape strong hearts and steady minds. So rest your shoulders, open your ears, open your hearts. Now, let the story begin. Stand together, for strength grows where hearts are joined. In a village of red earth paths and tall whispering grasses, a group of children like to boast about their strength. "I can carry the heaviest water gourd," said Kofi with pride. "I can gather more firewood than anyone," said Ama, lifting her chin. Even little Sefu, the smallest among them, spoke boldly. "I need no help." The elders watch quietly. One dry season, the winds grew fierce. They rushed across the fields, they bent the grasses low. They rattled the village fences. One morning, the children found the fence around the garden broken. "We will fix it," said Kofi. Each child grabbed a stick. Each child worked alone. But the wind pushed harder. One stick snapped. Another bent, another split beneath the strain. The fence fell again. Frustration rose like dust in the wind. Even little Sefu's arms trembled. Still the wind did not rest. Then old grandmother Nia stepped forward. In her hand she carried a bundle of thin sticks tied together with vine. She gave one stick to Kofi. "Break it." Snap. It broke easily. Then she held out the bundle. "Now break these." The children pushed, they strained, they pressed with all their strength. But the bundle did not break, the wind pressed against them. Still the bound sticks held firm. In that quiet moment, under the restless sky, the children began to understand. The children gathered their broken sticks. This time they worked together. They tied the sticks tightly. They held the fence upright side by side. The wind still blew. The grasses still bent. But the fence stood strong. That evening grandmother Nia smiled softly. "Remember this," she said. "Sticks in a bundle are unbreakable." Come nearer now, my dear ones. Let this story settle in your chest like evening light over quiet fields. Sometimes we try to carry the world alone, but strength grows quietly when hearts stand beside one another. Where in your life might you need to stand closer to others instead of standing alone. My dear ones, may the wisdom of this story settle gently in your heart. May your hands reach for others when strength feels thin. May you remember that unity turns small sticks into unbreakable strength. If this story brought you a moment of stillness, we would be honored if you stayed with us. Subscribe and return whenever you need quiet again. Until we gather once more beneath the same wide sky. Walk gently, my dear ones. My dear ones. When the winds grow strong, stand together. Wisdom is strengthening you.
Thank you for listening. If this story brought you quiet strength, subscribe and return when you need it again. Until next time, stay rooted in wisdom.